Alright guys, so in today's video, I will be sharing to you another way for you to be able to mine and also make passive money in cryptocurrency. And of course, this is an official betting partner by FIBA basketball. So they do have an event here in the Philippines, and we're going to give away free VIP tickets, if you watch this video. So make sure to follow the instructions at the end for you to be able to join and also win free tickets plus transportation allowance, so that you will enjoy the game without even using your money. And of course, if you haven't subscribed in our channel, guys, do not forget to subscribe. Again, this is Crypto Addict here, back again with new content, and let's just jump right into it. So J9.com is an awesome platform wherein you can play a lot of games, slots, you can play sports, you can play even blockchain games inside here. And some of the games that I've been playing before are Crash. There's even rock paper scissors, the wheel of steel, and other stuff as well. So in my case, I just want to take advantage of the staking, because this is what I do every single time, right? I don't want to what do you call that, waste my money, because it's my time rather, because I'm pretty much busy guy as well. So I just want to make my money work for me. So I found this awesome feature called J9 staking. So it is beside sports section. So this is J9BC staking. And then if you're going to click it, you can see that I've already earned 0.93 dividends for just a day. Alright, for just a day. So I've staked more than 10,000 J9 tokens. So I will explain it later how you'll be able to get those J9BC tokens. But first of all, this current price pool, and the dividends that you're going to get inside this platform is what do you call that? This has been like pooled. Alright, this has been pooled, and this has been giveaway for those people who are actively putting their shares inside this platform. And where does this money came from? It came from the users, the gamers who actually lost inside the game. So this is like the other way for you to be able to get rewarded. And as you can see here, the dividend amount is 5% of the prize pool. So 5% prize pool of 1 million is around, I think, $50,000. So that means that every single people that are inside this J9 staking platform, will get a portion of the dividends depending on how much money or how much J9BC tokens that are staked. Alright, in my case, I've staked around 10,000 J9BC, and if you're going to go inside J9 swap, you'll be able to see how much is the conversion of one J9BC to USDT. And as you can see here, it is actually stable. Alright, it is actually stable, guys. So how much is 10,000 J9BC tokens? Let's see. That's around 235 USDT. Alright, 235 USDT. It actually just got increased last April. So I'm sure you actually don't want to miss this kind of offerings in the market right now, because like what I've said, the people who always take risks, or always what do you call that, there's pretty much a quotation for that, like the harder you work, the luckier that you get. So more likely, if you're taking manageable risks, not a financial advice, you're probably going to find the success that you're looking with. So you just either fail, you just either succeed. But of course, that's part of the journey. You can only mitigate it, you can maybe minimalize it, but always as much as possible, if you're young, if you can afford it, just take manageable risk. Okay, so in my case, I'm just taking manageable risk, like this one. I just put it $200, $237 rather. Actually, it's going up even more because it's going, the price is going up as well. So I just put it that decent amount of money that I can afford to lose. I just buy J9BC token, so I just swap my USDT here, and then I just go into the staking. Okay, so also, okay, this is already listed in different exchanges, and also you can just click, you can just search for it. Okay, J9BC token. Okay, you can see that it is even in the coin market cap, right? It is in the coin market cap. It is also in CoinGecko. All right, it is also on PoolCoin. You can see that there's a lot of people that are also making content about J9. So I'm not the only one, so I'm just doing a review, a quick review about this, and actually the price goes up by more than 184.9% already. So I'm not sure if you can see it, but this is the price pump, okay, since May 21. All right, so this is everything that we see. Okay, so actually if we go into also look at the J9 FIBA, okay, you'll be able to see that they are having a global partnership with FIBA basketball. Okay, so FIBA, so they are partnered with J9 to bring fans across the globe. So if you're asking me like, hey, this is just like a shill content, no man, they don't even need me. Okay, I'm just creating this content because people are like asking, what is this J9? Okay, there's an event here in the Philippines. All right, and that's what I do here. I just cover projects. All right, and this is really awesome because, I mean, if you're partnered with reputable brands like FIBA, it's actually like you just don't have words for this, because this is already FIBA. All right, it's here to stay. Okay, it's here to stay, guys. All right, it's here to stay. So that's the thing that I want to just make you realize. And also, this token is more likely existing like way months ago. Okay, it existed way months ago, and also it is in the PancakeSwap. Okay, but soon it will be available in the other exchanges as well. All right, so I guess this is pretty much what happened. So if you're going to see Philippines versus India into this one, okay, you'll be able to see it actually FIBA. So it is there will be what do you call that, an event here July 3. Okay, July 3, okay, at MOA Arena at 7 p.m. Philippines versus India. Okay, so this will happen here in Philippines, like again. So this is FIBA Basketball World Cup Asian qualifiers, and if you want to be able to win VIP tickets here, okay, exclusively in my channel, okay, you need to sign up in J9 right now. I'm also going to put the link into the description box below, so that you'll be able to sign up and also play some games. All right, do some staking as well. So do the staking. I mean, I've been doing this for like days and days and days and days and days, right? And this is just basically passive income. So just do the betting, just do the gaming, just do the staking. Okay, and also the people that are like active, and also for people that are going to join the group, okay, make sure to do that. And if you do that as well, you have a chance to win a J9 exclusive FIBA basketball VIP ticket in MOA Arena this July 3. Okay, so please follow this, guys. Please follow this, guys. So make sure to watch this video first, okay? Watch everything in J9 as well. Do navigate the platform as well. So I'm going to send the link into the description box below. If you're already familiar with some of the games here, please try it right now, because as you can see, they are pretty much legit, and they've been existing for more than 10 years now, if I'm not mistaken. So that's everything for today's video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe in our channel. Again, this is Crypto Addict here, back again with new content. See you on the next video.